Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So what are we going to learn today? Well, if you ask me, there are so many tools, Chatgpt, Claude AI and Gemini. Now which one to use when? This is a common question amongst all of us. There are so many tools now, we are getting confused which to use when. So today I am going to show you practical use cases of ChatGPT, practical use cases of Claude AI, and practical use cases of Gemini, which I use when. I use all of them as per their specific power. So in this video, I am going to tell you use cases where we are using all of them. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. I welcome you all once again, and today the topic is very special. We will learn how to use different GPTs, whether it is ChatGPT or Claude AI or Gemini, right? So what we will do is start from ChatGPT. In my maximum videos where I have shown AI in Excel, AI in PPT or anything, the salary slips one or any giveaway was there, everywhere I use ChatGPT. Why? For historical data, for procedures, this is the best. Suppose in the previous video where I had uploaded the payslip and template and asked for a VBA code. So for VBA code and every coding or any historical data or any procedure, this is the best. I want any procedure, how to switch on this, switch off that, some FN problem or any problem in Word or maybe computer or anywhere, I just ask ChatGPT. You can see how much I use it, whether it is Excel well word or gendered payslip, dummy dataset, formula assistance or AI in text audit, anything is there. So I use ChatGPT for those purpose. The better update is that now you can also upload the files. I have already showed in previous videos. Earlier, when this was not the update, I used to use Claude AI because the upload feature was beautiful in Claude AI. Simply I have uploaded the profile, and suppose I have just uploaded and I am asking, I am a speaker at a session, jot down summary of important achievement in 40 words. So it has given me in 40 words. Then I am saying summarize in 100 words, it will give me in 100 words. Then I am summarizing important major points, make it point wise, then it is given point wise. So this way, uploading the documents, I use Claude AI and sometimes ChatGPT also, but ChatGPT has some limitations when it comes to uploading the documents. So for that purpose, I use Claude AI. Suppose uploading a notice and we can make a summary of the notice and many such things, right? Getting a summary of the PDF and all these things, Claude AI is best. Now coming to the third one, Gemini. Well, I must say Google is really smart and can think much ahead of time. What it has done is leverage the power of every other application, whether it is Gmail, Google Sheet, Google Doc, everything. I will show you how. Suppose we have to write an email for applying holiday on 20th to 30th September. So what we do is generally write in ChatGPT, then copy, paste, go to mail or Word, make it proper, all these things. All these things, the headache has been removed. How? Simple. Write an email for applying holiday, this. What you can do is here share and export, and here if you want to edit it, you can go to export to docs. If you want to directly draft in Gmail, you can see with one click your Gmail account will be linked, and you can see that directly in the compose section your mail will be drafted very beautifully. So all the headache of copying, pasting and all these things are gone. Your prompt has become the headings and subject and all, everything is pasted here. Recipients you can add and directly send. So this is one. Second, very important, whenever you are searching some summary or you are searching one mail, so many mails are there. What you do, go to one mail, again go back, front back. What Google has done is amazing. At Gemini you just have to type, we can see @gmail, make me a table for the mails from James Clear. So here this was very clumsy, but here you will see that it has made a beautiful table covering all the important things. And not only this, the biggest advantage is that you can simply go and click export to sheets, and within a minute you will see that all the mails are beautifully coming up here. One note of caution is very simple, that ChatGPT or any other GPT is bound to make mistakes. So you have to cross check, you have to rely only up to a certain percentage, and also cross check your Gmail. 100% you cannot rely, right? They are making mistakes, they are evolving, but Gemini can really do wonders. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you got a clear difference between ChatGPT, Claude AI and Gemini. Not only with Gmail, as I told, when you press at the rate, you can see whether it's Google Drop, Google Drive, Google Flights, hotel, everything it is going to merge and it will be wonderful. Maybe in the paid versions you can merge. I don't have the paid versions because free version sufficient enough to work. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something, and very soon we are going to come up with more beautiful things. Hope you got some value out of this video. Don't forget to like the video in order to make YouTube Baba happy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite part today. That's all for today, friends. See you in the next video.